thinking about using Bluehost for your website, this video will show you everything you need to know before you buy. I'll break down Bluehost pricing, performance, features, WordPress tools, security, customer support, and most importantly, how to get an exclusive Bluehost discount of up to 70% off, plus a free domain name. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which Bluehost plan to choose and whether Bluehost is the right hosting provider for your website. To get the exclusive Bluehost discount, click the link in the description below. The discount is automatically applied, plus you'll get a free domain name. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the best Bluehost pricing available. Let's jump in. What is Bluehost? Bluehost is one of the most popular web hosting companies in the world and is officially recommended by WordPress.org. They host over 2 million websites and they're especially known for being beginner-friendly, affordable, easy to use with WordPress. If this is your first website, Bluehost is often one of the top hosting providers people consider. Bluehost offers several types of hosting, but most people start with shared hosting, so that's what we'll focus on first. Shared hosting plans, with the exclusive Bluehost discount, here's what you can get. Starter plan, as low as $2.99 a month, up to 70% off, 10 websites, free domain for the first year, annual plans, free SSL certificate, perfect for beginners and simple websites, business plan, most popular, as low as $5.99 a month, 50 websites, free domain, free SSL, free daily backups, extra security features, best value for most users. eCommerce Essentials plan, as low as $13.99 a month, everything in the premium plan, WooCommerce pre-installed, secure online payments, best for online stores. Important tip, the best discounts are on the 12-month and longer plans. Monthly plans cost more and do not include a free domain. Let's talk performance. Bluehost uses NVMe storage, built-in caching, optimized WordPress servers. I tested Bluehost using a fully functioning real website, not a blank demo install. After running multiple speed tests, the results were impressive. The website loaded very fast, pages responded quickly, and performance stayed consistent even while navigating through multiple pages. For blogs, business sites, and small online stores, Bluehost performance is solid and reliable. For the price, especially with a discount, Bluehost performance is very solid. You'll get good page load speeds, stable uptime, consistent performance for WordPress sites, WordPress features and tools. This is where Bluehost really shines. Bluehost offers one-click WordPress installation, automatic WordPress updates, built-in WordPress dashboard, staging environments, easy theme installation. If you're building a WordPress website, Bluehost makes the process extremely simple, even if you've never built a website before. Bluehost also includes a drag-and-drop website builder. This is good for small websites, simple business pages, beginners who want something quick. All Bluehost plans include free SSL certificate, secure login tools, spam protection, malware scanning options. Higher plans also include daily backups and enhanced security features. While Bluehost security is solid, I recommend adding backups and extra security plugins for peace of mind, which is easy to do with WordPress. Customer support. Bluehost offers 24/7 live chat support, phone support, knowledge base and tutorials. Support is helpful for beginners, quick to respond, best for basic to intermediate issues. Pros and cons. Pros, very affordable with discounts, free domain name included, beginner-friendly dashboard, officially recommended by WordPress, easy WordPress setup. Cons, renewal prices are higher. This is common in the web hosting industry. Best features require higher plans. Who is Bluehost best for? Bluehost is best for beginners, bloggers, small business websites, WordPress users, anyone building their first website. Is Bluehost worth it? Yes, Bluehost is worth it, especially if you're just getting started. You want something affordable, you want easy WordPress setup, you want a free domain included. To get the exclusive Bluehost discount, click the link in the description below. The discount is automatically applied, plus you'll get a free domain. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more hosting reviews, and comment below if you have any questions about Bluehost or WordPress hosting.